Hey guys, guess where I'm at? Target. Can't stay away from this joint. It's obviously such a great store. And there's just a bunch of odds and ends that I need. Okay, real quick. What's the deal with the booties hanging outside the shorts? Now, I know I'm 40. Maybe if I was 20, I would be like, oh, that's the style. Not that I would ever let my booty hang out the bottom of my shorts, but these days, I don't really need to see the butt cheeks on people. Very strange phenomenon. Girls of all sizes just let the cheeks hang out. And I guess good for them. They're young. They've got the young bodies, but I don't know. Don't you guys think that's a little too much? I know I'm old now. I'm old fuddy-duddy, 40. But I think there's just some things you really should keep to yourself. And the butt cheeks probably is one of them. Anyway, guys, I'm in the Target parking lot. It's a beautiful day. There's clouds everywhere, but it's still gorgeous temperature. I just took a shower. So, yeah, here I am in all my glory. I hope you guys are doing well. I really am not going to say much today. Just very quickly, we are, going to go to the beach later. And maybe I'll take some footage at the beach, actually. Okay, guys. Talk to you soon. Revenge of the birds. They all want our food. Erica, they're coming for you. Oh, they're real close. These birds. Mine. Calm down. They're gonna put them on. They're gonna come. Don't put them out there. Bring them in. They're not gonna come right here. Keep facing Mama and keep the chips under your hood. Look at all of them. They want us bad.
Oh! You got to fight over there.
They were fighting each other.
Bobby, here! Before the ticket on begins.
Gosh.
What just happened?
Well, one fell in the sand.
I got one chip. I didn't have those kinds. So you have the orange one.
Please look at that sun. Yep, that's how you have to eat around seagulls.
Where? Inland. Oh, they're close again.
Oh
There's
my
two of them
God.
there.
Where are they? I want to videotape
Kind of
them.
straight out from you. He's in close.
Wow, beautiful. Another one.
They're so close.
They are close. Look, Erica, you're missing them. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
So my buddy's dog house over there. Yeah.
Hey everybody, so this is the end of VEDA 16. We're watching a beautiful sunset. And the Gulf, it's just gorgeous here. We're so happy. I'm home. Yay. Sorry, don't want me weird on YouTube. But anyway.
Love you, YouTube.
Love you, YouTube. Okay, that's a wrap. Bye guys. Hope you're doing well.
It's a wrap.